Hi dear students. So next concept, importance factors about Muhammad Gawan. So dear students, we know already we have studied about Muhammad Gawan's contribution. He was worked under the Sultanates of Bahman Shah II, like that. So we can see the what are the achievement of Muhammad Gawan. Okay, see here first one, Muhammad Gawan captured Hubli, Belagavi and Goa from Vijayanagara Empire. See dear students, when he was ruling Bahmani dynasty, that time he was captured Hubli, Belagavi, Goa from the Vijayanagara Empire. Next point, administration was according to the Islamic laws. See, he was make the administration only Islamic law only. So in Vijayanagara dynasty, when that dynasty was ruled that time, Vijayanagara kings were encouraged all the languages and they follow all the religious laws. But compared to that dynasty, Bahmani dynasty was different. So Muhammad Gawan encouraged only Islamic laws only and Islamic language only. Okay. And third one, he encouraged revenue and postal services. So dear students, this is important. See, they are asking a question on this topic. Who introduced the postal service? So they are asking like this question. So that time you should write Muhammad Gawan. So he was introduced the postal service. Next, fourth one, he fixed taxes on the basis of lands, fertility and irrigation facility. Tax was collected in cash. So dear students, we know already so many types of taxes are there. In that time, they collecting the taxes and the fertility of the land. So compared to dry land and irrigation land, so some differences are there. So fertility on the basis of land, they are collecting the tax. Then they was collected in cash only. Okay. And fifth one, he removed some taxes which were annoying the people. See, some taxes are very burden of the people that time. So that's why he was removed that type of taxes. Next, sixth one, he was founded madrasa. So dear students, this is very important. Madrasa means university. So he was founded madrasa. So in that madrasa had some speciality. We can see image of madrasa. So dear students, see, this is the image of madrasa. Okay, Muhammad Gawan built madrasa. It located in Bidar. Okay, see this picture clearly how it is. It's beautiful, you know. See, and it has some speciality. It is 242 feet wide and 222 feet long, 56 feet height and 3-storied building. See, 1, 2, 3, 3-storied building. This is okay. Then the building which is more than 5 centuries old. See, more than 5 centuries. 5 centuries means 500 years old. Okay, so this is the specialty about this madrasa. So who built this? Muhammad Gawan was built this madrasa. Okay. Next, as a philosopher himself, Muhammad Gawan founded madrasa. So madrasa means university, you know, we know already. And it in this madrasa, it encouraged Islamic religious and legal education. Astronomy, mathematics, history were being studied here. And free education and hostel facilities were provided. Around 3000 manuscripts were in the library of madrasa. So these are the specialty about madrasa. Then Muhammad Gawan contributed a lot in making the Bahmani kingdom great. We know already. So these are the important factors about Muhammad Gawan. So then finally his regional leaders were jealous of his fame and conspired to have him murdered. See, dear students, when he was ruling Bahmani dynasty at that time, his regional leaders were jealous on his fame and name of the contribution of Muhammad Gawan. So that time, this innocent Gawan was died. Okay. So dear students, these are the information about Muhammad Gawan. Okay. Next concept, cultural contributions of Bahmani dynasty. We can see one by one what are the cultural contributions of that dynasty. First one, Bahmani Sultan encouraged Islamic education. Chanting of Quran was part of the education. Kalburgi, Bidar, Elchapur and Daulatabad, their educational centers. So dear students, we know already they encouraged only Islamic education and Islamic laws only. So then they are chanting the Quran was a part of their education system. Then Kalburgi, Bidar, Elchapura, Daulatabad are the educational centers of Bahmani Sultans. Okay, then poor people and orphans were provided free food and shelter, and scholarships were given to students in madrasa. So we know already madrasa's speciality. So it was built by Muhammad Gawan. So these are the cultural contributions of Bahmani Sultans. So next concept, literature. Firoz Shah, Muhammad Gawan, Muhammad Shah II were writers and minister poets. During their region, Persian, Arabic and Urdu literatures were developed. See, we know already Firoz Shah, Muhammad Gawan, Muhammad Shah II were the writers and their ministers poets also. So that time they are encouraged the Persian, Arabic and Urdu literatures. Okay.